LED strip lights are one of the best ways of adding some pristine lighting to your home. They really help modernize pretty much any space, and our 19-watt RGBWW Aeon LED strip lights are no exception. Let's find out why. The most striking thing about our Aeon range are these cob chips. These basically deliver the light emitted by the tape in one single continuous stream, which is a lot nicer than the dotted look that you get from conventional strip lights. It's a lot cleaner looking and lets you use them in spaces where they can be in plain sight, meaning you don't even need to use a diffuser if you don't want to. Though it's always a good idea to use an aluminium profile because A, they give your tape a really nice professional finish, and B, they help extend the lifespan of your tape by up to 50% as they act as a heatsink, drawing excess heat away from the tape and reducing the wear and tear on it. Now, one thing that is really important to note about this tape is that it runs at 24 volt. So you must use it with a 24 volt power supply. If, for example, you try to use it with a 12 volt power supply, the tape just won't switch on. Once you do have it switched on though, it can emit light in millions of different colors, including a true warm white, thanks to the dedicated warm white chip built into the tape. You see, if you take a standard RGB tape, for example, and want it to produce a white, it will do so by mixing together different colours. So it'll be close to the true white, but it won't be 100% accurate. Whereas the warm white produced by our RGBWW tape will be accurate at 3000K. In a real world scenario then, it makes this tape a fab option for bedrooms or living rooms, where you might want a splash of colour from time to time, but need those soothing warm white tones for relaxation. Of course, being able to switch colours is only possible with a controller, and we'd recommend our EasyLight 5-in-1 Wi-Fi controller. It gives you access to everything that we've discussed so far via a compatible remote or your smartphone, which, as you may have guessed, also allows you to use Alexa or Google Assistant with your tape too. Now, regardless of how you choose to control it, the tape will use just 19 watts per meter when it's on at full brightness, which means running costs for a single meter are just 0.47 pence per hour. That is less than half a penny. And if you want, say, 10 meters, that's just 4.5 pence an hour. So even longer runs cost literally pennies. Did we mention that this tape can also be used outside? If you choose the IP67 option before purchasing, your tape can be used in the water up to a depth of 1 meter. Of course, if you're using it inside and away from any water, then you'll be just fine with the IP20 option. Now, whichever lengths you do want to run, this tape is available in 71.43mm intervals. Now, we know that this is a bit of an awkward number to work with, especially if you're looking for a specific length for your space. So, if you want, we can work all that out for you, along with everything else that you'll need for your LED tape installation. All you need to do is just give us a call on 0116 321 4120, or you can send us an email to sales@wled.co.uk. Don't forget that you can also speak to us on Facebook and Instagram. Just DM us the word tape and we can have a chat about how our Aeon tape can meet your needs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.